Alright, YouTubers, cooking time again. First thing is going to be some shoestring French fries. Now, I'm going to cook these in the New Wave Mini most of the way through. And then when they're done, I'll just set the whole thing off to the side to do the next step. I'm going to go 25 minutes. Away it goes. We'll come back when there's more to come back to. Alright, now it's next step. It is a pound of hamburger. In. You get out. Sriracha, because I gotta have sriracha. Some steak seasoning, because hamburgers should be like steak burgers. Alright. And I'm going to go into it probably in another video, but I've kind of moved on from my... I always used to use Ziploc bags, and I'm going to stop doing that. So, mix all this hamburger up. Gotta use your hands. They gotta be clean, but you gotta use your hands to get the feel for it. Alright. Then your hands get to smell like sriracha, which is awesome. More sriracha. More steak seasoning. And more hands. Feels good. It needs, you're right, it needs more sriracha. Okay, that's gonna be it. So, even though it'll be, well, I was gonna say, I'm gonna try to keep it a surprise, but then I always try to make the titles of a video on what the video is about. So basically, I went to Primanti Brothers yesterday, which they have one in Dayton, Ohio. It's weird that we ended up getting one. But Primanti Brothers is famous from Pittsburgh. And I also found out that the meat they use, they actually get it sent from Pittsburgh. But it's a famous Pittsburgh sandwich. So what I'm kind of doing, since I was making so much noise, so what I'm kind of doing is, I'm doing an ode to Primanti Brothers burger style. Spray some Pam on this to try to make it easier, my new burger press. And I'm going to try to make 1/3 pounders. See how close I get. Burger, 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 burger. And the last one. Okay. Let me get this crap out of the way, clean my hands, and we'll move on to the next step. The pan's heating up, but my patience is wearing thin. One of the biggest crimes in life is lack of patience. Yeah. Let it cook. Don't get too excited and flip too early. Alright, I got excited and I flipped a little too early. But we'll keep these going. You don't need to see burgers cook in a frying pan. Alright, those two are coming along. Because I'm going to put them on this foil and store them out of the way. Again, when you're cooking in a tiny space like this, it's kind of rough. Alright, I set it on the little tray from the New Wave Mini. It's out of the way too. Into the microwave. The third and final burger goes in. A little bit more steak seasoning. We'll get a better little crust on this one because the pan's hot. Alright, we'll come back when the burgers are done. And these two ones are still warm. And they're going back in. So these just need a couple more minutes. And again, with all that splattering, it's a good thing that I put the barrier up. But we're getting there. Alright, they're getting a nice crust on them. Should be pretty good. I'm going to turn them off. And I got pepper jack. I'll put that over it. It should help steam the cheese on a little bit. And then I got some stuff to do. I got to remove everything again. This will go into the microwave as it is. And I'll get the New Wave Mini back out and finish off the fries. Alright, let's see if we can do that. Open up the nucleator. Carefully move a hot pan. That actually worked. I don't need this up anymore, so I'm going to take this down. There's the New Wave Mini again. I did these for like 23, 24 minutes. I'll flip them. And I'm going to give them about 4 more minutes. By then the burger should be ready. And try to be careful. Bring the burgers back out. There we go. Woohoo! Alright, buns. And again, I have veggies, but nobody wants to see the veggies. They're boring. I'll start the burger and then I'll nuke the broccoli. We're a minute away and I'm excited. Like I said, I went to Primanti Brothers yesterday and I got excited because I had all the stuff to make burgers and then the idea popped in my head. So I think this is going to be a pretty darn good meal. So first we got the nice bun. Got a burger on there. If I make a burger, I got to put a sriracha smiley face. I made it my way. There. I'll turn the burger so the smiley face your way. Alright, so that's done. Take that out of the way. I've been doing this a lot lately. I'm just going to do the hunch and I'm going to eat it right here. So next, in Primanti Brothers style, the fries go right on the burger. Let's see if we can get them on there. And being at Primanti Brothers, the secret that they do is they put coleslaw right on the sandwich. So there's my Primanti Brothers. And I bought some extra coleslaw. I figure if I'm going to use coleslaw, let's use good coleslaw. And their coleslaw is really good. So that's going right on there. Oh, I messed up. I meant to do another smiley face. Let's get this back out of the way. Man, small class B is all about the shuffle. We'll give it another smiley face. That's a big happy smiley face. Alright. That looks so pretty. See if we can keep it in there. There we go. I should have taken a picture of that, shouldn't I? I'm going to do the hunch. That is a good burger. That could be top 5 burgers I've ever made. If you're ever in the Pittsburgh area, you got to go to Primanti Brothers. And for some beautiful mistake, accidents, whatever it might be, they opened up one here in Dayton, Ohio. A little bit north of Dayton, but whew, that is so good. We'll come back in a couple of minutes when I've done a second one. We'll just do it now since I know I'm going to eat it. Their fries are great there too. I like steak, fancy steak fries kind of thing. They're better than these little shoestring ones, but this works. The Primanti Brothers coleslaw again. Smiley face like I intended. In the fries. They do make really good coleslaw. I'm sure any coleslaw would work, but when the idea hit me, I said, I would like a serving of coleslaw to go, please. I figured in one day it would still be good, and it is. As such, see?
This could be fast forwarded in 30 seconds, but where would the fun be?
Put the lid on. Boom. Alright, the second one is made. The first one has to be eaten. And it's not a sacrifice. It's a pretty easy and fun thing to do. Should I do a flyover? Fly into, up, panoramic, and then the one I'm eating. Now have a great and wonderful day. Oh man, that's so good. Alright, I'm hanging up now. You have a great day.